Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late today. I was having some laptop issues, but I think we're good. So here's an announcement to start off. Tomorrow for social studies, we're going to try to do a Zoom virtual class. Okay, it's going to happen at 10 a.m. And in your email tomorrow, I'll send you a link that you can join the class. And we're going to just see how it goes. It might be amazing, it might be a flop. We'll shoot for amazing and see what happens. So this is not mandatory. I'm not going to take attendance or anything, but if you would like to get on there and join us, I think it would be fun for us to see each other and to talk a little bit. So what else? Let's do an inspirational quote for the day. This one says, one kind word can change someone's day. And I know that is true. That is very true in my life. Somebody can say something to me and I can be having a rough day and it will turn my whole day around. So make sure your words are always kind that you're using with other people. And here's something else that you can be looking at. So a lot of museums and zoos and places, public event places around the country that are closed, they're offering these virtual tours. So the San Diego Zoo has all of these live cams that you can go follow. So if you Google San Diego Zoo and go to their website, look for the link that says live cams or webcams, and then when you go down here, you can see like all these cute animals that you can watch live. I mean, seriously, who would not want to watch that little elephant right there in Safari Park? Oh, so good. So good. Do that. So you can also go look on a lot of history museums. They're doing virtual tours. I know that's exactly how you want to spend your day. So, anyways, history museums, do it. So here's the deal for social studies today. I want you to do another article. This is the third one we're working on. It starts with this Caravans of Gold title, and it has this picture of Mansa Musa on the front. And so it's talking about kind of the cultural exchange that happened from Western Africa. And so we studied a lot about them, and that will be a good review for you. And go ahead and add your answers, your 4 answers to the questions at the bottom. Add that to your sheet of paper you're working on. Remember, you're putting all of your answers on the same sheet of paper, and you're going to turn that in when we get back to school. Some of you are emailing me your answers, and that's fine. I love your emails. But in addition, you need to be making sure you're writing them down so you'll have something to turn in when we get back to school. What else? What else? So here's the last thing I'll tell you today. Oh, first, let me say yes, today, if you want the first person who emails me the correct answers, you'll get a prize. Yesterday's winner was Haley Dallin. Good job, Haley. Proud of you. Thank you for your hard work on all of this. So here's my last thing I'm going to say, and this is really important. So please listen. If you or your family right now is really struggling in this time and you don't have enough food or some other item that you guys are needing, will you please send me an email or one of your other teachers and let us know? There are some things we can do to make sure your family has everything you need. So if we're out of school and so people don't have access to breakfast and lunch, and not everyone has the same resources that others do to make it during these times. So if something's going on in your home that you don't have enough food or you have some other kind of need going on, will you please let us know? We will keep that very private, but we want to make sure everyone is well taken care of right now. All right. We love you so much and we miss you and we hope you're doing well. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.